Finally, farmers, ranchers, and other farm equipment operators have a solution to dirty cabs. Introducing Tractor Mat, a removable floor mat specifically designed for farm equipment. Tractor Mat can be installed in only a few seconds and is custom designed to fit a specific make and model. We guarantee that every tractor mat will fit like a glove inside your piece of farm equipment. Dirt, mud, oil, and grease. Tractor Mat holds its shape and strength to keep your equipment clean. When the mat's dirty, it can be removed as easy as it's installed. Once removed, Tractor Mat is durable enough to be cleaned by a power washer. Simply clean the mat and return it back to the cab. Tractor Mat is proudly made right here in the USA. With Tractor Mat, you won't have to worry about a dirty cab again.